Right, good morning guys. It is the day after mowing, if you watched the last video, and we are picking up grass. There goes Bruce in the 130 with the load. John's up next in the Massey. And then I'll follow John because we're the same speed on the road. Let's do following. So we've borrowed Luke's trailer again. We did it on first cut. John went and picked that one up this morning. Nice big rolling trailer, get a big load back with that one. We got Corporal Jones in the high vis, giving us a wave. And then we've got Sexy Rexy in big boots. Just backing up on the corner here. So the pickup there belongs to Tom, who works for Mason Kings, who our John Deere equipment comes from. He's from their farm site team, so anything to do with like mapping, yield mapping on here, any of the computer stuff that goes with John Deere. So he's fairly new to that job, so he's riding around with Craig just to see how everything goes. And yeah, we'll get a load on in a minute and we'll begin our day. We got Ollie again back at the pit buck raking. He always does a good job. I had that trailer on first for at home, just until we come up here, and I was a complete idiot. It's got three, I can't even do it, it's got three spool pipes on that tractor. One big one that tips the main ram up and down, and then two for the back door. And of course I'd mixed them up in the same spool, so I thought I'd airlock the back door somehow. There I was breaking all the joints trying to let air out, and turns out I just had the spools in the wrong way around. Now I didn't have to tell you that, but we tell you everything here, so we'll make mistakes. Right, we are back at the pit. Our start gear needs to be in B6. Just a bit quick. Going dark. Can't see anything. Oh, that's a bad bit of reversing, Josh. Come on. That did not want to come out. That was stuck in there. One with like dampy grass. Packed in so tight. You don't want to come out. Now if you watched the last video, the mowing one, cutting the silage, you'll know that I was having problems with the tractor getting very hot. This morning I checked all the oil, checked all the coolant, everything absolutely perfect, spot on. And gave the tractor a bit of a once over, so washed the windows and blew out the radiators, and oh my goodness me, were they packed full of like earth, soil and dust. So I'm assuming it's from where I annihilated the molehills yesterday with the front mower. We just absolutely packed it into the grill. Some high quality fodder here. More grass on my lawn, I think. Stopped and had some dinner, so we're all sort of parked up. There is the big horse, tractor and trailer. Craig's currently filling Andy, he's pretty well full. And then Craig's got the Rosses in the class tractor behind. And then we've got Bruce in the Marshall with the silver back door. And then Rex is in the other 620, having his lunch. The Davy brothers. So here is today's outfit, 6155R that you see me driving all the time. And then borrowed this trailer off my mate Luke. He's got 7 of these. There's big Roland, it's on air, it's got a camera for the back, it's got a reversing light, electrics, 3 spools, it's got a ladder on the front, big old air tank, massive great 560 tyres, really low ground pressure. It's not actually any taller than our Fleming, I don't think, it's just a fair bit longer. It's a nice trailer, travels really well on the road. There's the camera on the back, look. Unfortunately, our John Deere is 6 months too young, or 6 months too old, sorry, the wrong side of the update to allow the camera to work. I bought the cable and everything for it, but no good. It's our turn. Apologies for all the paraphernalia on the windows. Hopefully you can see a bit of the forager. This is like high-speed foraging.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way.
Look who's here! It's the she-woman. The lady. And she's walked us. Look at he. Oh. We're now over at Rowden. So Andy's just being filled. Everyone else has had a load so far. Got the drone in the air, didn't we?
Well, you did.
I did. You caught it, plucked it out the sky.
Yeah.
Done the boys in green. high volume, low quality silage.
It's just a lot of dog leaves.
It is just a lot of dog leaves. Dead grass. Slow down. Too much. Round of applause emoji in the comments for Abby's film work. Very good.
You've not seen it yet?
The reason we're getting married?
You thought that was you?
Either the dog or Abby has farted in here and it absolutely stinks.
It's not me.
Abby's very quick to deny it, which makes me suspect it might not have been the dog.
It's definitely. I thought it was you.
Yeah, that wasn't me. That smells much worse than me.
I don't know what the dog's
Oh, that
doing.
is so bad. Oh.
Yeah, you gave me a cup of tea.
I did give the dog a cup of tea.
No, well,
That might be what that is.
that was the outcome.
Oh, he's having no more cups of tea.
He did have it in tuna as well.
Right. Now we're getting somewhere. Passenger seat's never been so busy. No, I guess. Just watching. Oh, shut up. That's how you enter the field in style. Abby's leaving me. She's just grabbing my sunglasses. When I say leaving me, hopefully she's just going home. She's not actually leaving me. That would be a bad day. Merci beaucoup. See you later. She is some lady, that Abby. Right, hopefully one more load for us. And then we'll be nearly done and tidy up the pit. Wait, now Rex running. I'm the awkward bugger that's going the opposite way to everyone else. Because I do not fit over the bridge. Hopefully it'll be one more load for us. Tidy up the pit, get it rolled down, and then we've got all that straw in the pit beside the one we're tipping in. So what we'll do is we'll put the sheet on, roll it all up, and then someone in the telehan, and normally John does it, we'll bring bales up, so instead of putting sandbags or tyres on the pit, we'll put straw on as we go back. And then as we feed the silage out in the winter, take the straw bales off and put it in the straw chopper. See here where the front mower didn't like going through this ravine here in the field. I thought I tidied them all up with a back mower, but I guess not. Where Rex is just getting the last of that line. He might get that bit as well. Not so sure. There's one little row left there. Beautiful evening for it. Got to get a picture for Instagram, haven't we? I think Craig will just about get all that in Rex's trailer. See, I started having trouble with the mower in this field because there's a lot of molehills along that headland. And then the front mower wouldn't behave after that. And of course, going through this ravine, you can see where it ploughs in a bit. Going that way is fine. That way doesn't like it. Then from that point on, it was playing up. So I tightened the belts and sort of made it a bit better. Anyway, this field finished. We're on to the last field, which is just the other side of that fence. And that'll be...
Head off the road, anyone about?
That'll be second cut done for us then. So I'm just on my way back with my last load. The guys are in that field just there. I think Ross is the second trailer on. He's being loaded up. So we're right beside our science farm, Rowden. There's 6 of us on trailers. Hopefully we'll get away with only needing 5 of them in there. And then the tractor that we pinched from Rowden this morning to put on a trailer, we can leave here ready to feed up the animals in the morning. If it would work so well, but they should just about finish in daylight with the forager anyway, which is good. Right, we've finished. Here comes a red machine. That's painful on the ears. You have squeaky brakes. Yeah. Right, John's got some grass in his really squealy trailer. I don't know why the brakes are so squealy on that one tonight. Luke's trailer needs to go back to Luke, so we're going to unhook that one. John left his car wind down this morning when he fed up with that tractor, so we'll unhook the trailer. He can put the trailer back on that tractor, and then he can take that tractor and the trailer back to where they belong, and then the tractor's up there to feed up the cat over the weekend. Hope that makes sense. It's the Southwest finest silaging crew.
14 mil.
And us lot.
From Brandon Moore today, and then back again.
Now it's fresh.
He did have a.
So what they call an audience with a butt plate.
They had a World War II spot plate down there. Yeah, the year before last.
They call silage sheeting by candlelight. Right guys, I know I'm always terrible at ending silaging videos. I never do any of the filming for sheeting down or anything like that. But we've put the sheet on. We're going to cover it in straw, that clamp. So John's actually going to come and do that tomorrow. Because it's, what, 9:30 now. So we're all done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Sorry about this very dark lighting arrangement here. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. That means an awful lot. Thank you to everyone who has been subscribing recently. We're still in the sub race with Crawford to 10k, so if you haven't already subbed, please click the button below. That would be awesome. If you want to follow any more of the socials, the links for those are in the description. Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, the works. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in another video very soon. Cheerio.